Good morning. We are back on the road today. We are in Hillsboro, Missouri, county seat of Jefferson County. And this courthouse behind us is from 1863. It's very busy. Let's check it out. Hillsboro is a decent-sized town, but there's not much of a square here. Mostly around here is, well, for example, there's the health department here and some attorneys. Looks like a private investigator, but not much in the way of actual town square. We'll see one of those at our next stop, I believe. This is easily one of the most busy courthouses I've ever seen. The parking lot here is massive and absolutely packed. I don't know where all these people are. The building does not look that large, but based on what I've grown to expect from our stops north of 70 on the last trip, this is a little bit shocking. It's our first visit. So anyway, we're going to keep moving on. Today we're visiting Hillsboro here. We're going to go to Potosi. We're going to go to Farmington. We're going to end our day in St. Genevieve. So stick around and let's learn some stuff. Before we move on to our next stop here in Potosi, I wanted to clear up a couple things. I gave some wrong dates back in Hillsboro. That courthouse, I'm going to read this for you here to make sure I get it right. That courthouse was originally built in 1863. There was an addition that was added in 1892, which I think was the sides of the building. And then it was remodeled in 1954, which I'm assuming is when they added that big addition on the back, where all the business seems to be going on these days. Anyway, there you go. All right, this is the courthouse in Potosi, Missouri. This is Washington County. This courthouse is from 1908. I believe there was a sign that said it was renovated in the 70s. It's in pretty great shape. Potosi doesn't really have much of a square here. There is a little main street, and we'll take a drive down that. There's a lot of action going on here, though. Know about this place coming into it, but this is the James Long House from 1865, so that's quite an old one here. It looks like there's a historical society that takes care of this place. All right, that was kind of interesting. This James Long House here from 1865 that we stumbled across. Just wandering around Potosi, checking out what's going on. You know, one thing I will note, wandering around Potosi here, it's early October when I'm doing this, and I'm noticing the leaves are just starting to turn. If you came here in about 2 weeks, this would be stunning. Well, it's not quite as busy as Jefferson County, but Washington County got a lot of movement going on here. Says there have been 4 courthouses built at this site. First in 1823, Missouri became a state. Second and third in 48 and 85. This one, 1927. During its construction, there was interest in using locally sourced red granite. Bedford limestone and Carthage marble were used instead. It said the building has an interest on the east side, or entrance on the east side. But no business would have to face the back of the courthouse. East side is this side right here. So, a lot of trees blocking this one though. There is across the street, there's an annex, a very large annex, which I assumed was going to be where everything happened. But it does appear that this is still very much an active courthouse. All right, this is the St. Genevieve Courthouse, St. Genevieve County Courthouse in St. Genevieve, Missouri. The original building is 1885. This addition on the back, which actually I think is what we're looking at right now, is 1916. This part over here is at 1885. We're going to wrap it up for today here from St. Genevieve County, St. Genevieve, Missouri. We've got 4 courthouses under our belt today. St. Genevieve here, started the day in Hillsboro, went to Potosi and Farmington. Tomorrow the journey continues on our trek to hit all the courthouses south of Interstate 44. Like the video, subscribe if you'd like to join us on this adventure. Look forward to it. Thanks.